Hi everyone, we are back for another vlog. I've been away for a while, but I've got some big news today, so keep watching and check it out.
Mic check, 1 2 1 2 2
So we just picked up the keys to our new place and we got given a really nice card and a bottle of champagne by the estate agent, so thank you so much to them. This has been the longest journey ever. I can't even explain to you the relief, but yeah, we are here and
now we're going to the house.
the news is here. Oh my god, this is actually crazy. Like, the feeling is mad. I can't even tell you lot. Whoa. Okay, I'm officially freaking out. This is crazy. It's actually crazy. Like, I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm just like here and it's just mad. It's crazy. Can't believe. Oh. Nice, they left us 2 chairs. I cannot believe this is our house. Oh my god. I'm so sorry if I keep like going crazy, but I cannot contain it right now. It feels so much bigger than, it literally feels so much bigger than when we saw it. I'm not even joking. We literally saw it for like 20 minutes. Only once, and we've made like the biggest purchase of our lives. Insane. It is crazy. How are you feeling?
This feeling is insane. And it's so much bigger than how I remember it.
I was just saying that.
Like, this landing is huge.
I cannot wait to get my decorating hand out in this place.
Just a little sprucing up. You can change these colours, give them a nice paint. It's so quiet as well.
I know, it's such a difference.
Is the heat on?
I feel really hot.
The heat is on, it's so warm in there.
Nice, nice. Show us the
So this is going to be
a little office.
Study area. This is bigger than what I remember as well.
This is way bigger than what I remember.
Nice.
Nice. Oh my god.
Another big size. Oh my god. What's it mean when there's 4, is that magpies?
Is there 4 of them?
1 2 3 4 5.
Oh yeah.
Does that mean something?
I have no idea.
I'll check it out.
We got the bathroom. Oh my god, my camera is not focusing. Ha! Suits you.
The landing area is big. And look, it's just, it's light. It's light when it's supposed to be light.
I know, there's so much light.
Hello. We are in the residence. We are here inside the residence.
Oh my god,
It's
oh
huge.
oh my god, oh my
It's
god.
bigger than
Oh.
It's actually, it feels crazy. And they've left it really nice. Like, they've left it in such good condition.
Everything is sparkling.
Yeah.
To me.
There's so many places to
Let's come sit. Let's sit in these chairs.
Right. Where is the broadband?
Oh, I'm still getting over the fact that we're in the house. I'm not even thinking about that right now.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, we're in a house, we're in a house.
Boiler.
That is an old boiler.
That is a very old boiler.
That needs changing. But do you know what I love? I love that we can do whatever we want with this place. It's like a blank canvas, and you're gonna see loads of DIY videos coming from me. I could get lost in this house.
3, 2, 1.
Hey!
To new beginnings.
To new beginnings. Wow, this day has been insane. I think it's just not gonna sink in until we officially move in here. But gonna close the video now because we're gonna have some champagne, get some food, and we've got a lot of packing to do. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I will be doing more up and coming DIY stuff for when we do stuff around the house. So yeah, as well as sound engineering, I'm now a DIY person. But yeah, it has been insane. Also, the lighting in this house is perfect for videos, so yes, there'll be more coming, and see you guys soon. Don't forget to like and comment on this video if you liked anything about this property, if you liked the way, if you want to see anything more about it, or if you want to know what my ideas are with the house, because my Pinterest board is actually insane. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.